Hello everyone, I'm Jessica Agary. Welcome to my channel, and on today's episode we're going to be preparing Efo Riro Elemimeje. Sit back and enjoy. The first step is to add your palm oil. Then you add your chopped tomatoes, pepper and onions. Then you add iru and stir.
If you see my geleo, it go on everybody.
After adding periwinkle, you stir before adding your fish stock. Ensure you wash and pluck your leaves before blanching. Blanching means adding hot water to soften your leaves before using it, and to also kill germs. Then you sieve your efo leaves before adding it to the pot. Then you add 2 seasoning cubes and some salt. You may decide to omit salt if the doctor asks you not to use salt. Then you stir and cover for about 5 minutes. Wow, this is looking so beautiful. As you all can see, our food is ready. Now we know how to prepare Efo Riro Elemimeje. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.